How to create videos for free using Qwen AI on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about creating videos for free using the Qwen AI, which is available in both Play Store and App Store. And we'll talk about creating one in your phone. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Simply search for Qwen AI application and install it on your device. After that, go ahead and launch the application on your mobile device. Log into your account. Once it is opened, now simply scroll to the right from the bottom and there you will see the option of video generation. Tap on that. You just need to simply go ahead and enter a prompt. Once you have given the input or prompt in this box, go ahead and tap on this arrow button that is highlighted in purple color in order to generate. It might take 5 to 6 minutes to create the video on your phone. And when it's done, you can watch the preview and download the video to your phone. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and create videos for free using Qwen AI on your phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.